Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you the Tag Buffet project kit and the coordinating Tag Buffet stamp set. This was designed by Caitlin, who is a product designer at Stampin' Up. She's also on my Stampin' Up team. And so I'd love to see her work. And when I opened this up today, I sent her a message right away to tell her how much I loved it. Again, as always, it just doesn't do it justice in the photo here in the catalog. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit, and I want to pull in the pieces and show you. So first of all, it comes in this box. If you're familiar with Paper Pumpkin, you'll recognize this style of box. It's a little bit smaller than our typical Paper Pumpkin box, and then this is the inside. So it's a really fun box that you can store your tags or cards in. It comes with printed instructions like this. So you've got several languages to challenge yourself, but then it's got the 6 different tags shown right here. Really, really basic instructions. You're just stamping and putting things together with dimensionals. There's actually no adhesive even required to do these tags. So let me pull those 6 in. The kit makes 30 tags. So there's 6 different designs and you do 5 of each. So these are the different designs. And as I said, everything is pre-cut, pre-printed. So this one, for example, this is the background. Then you've got this layer that's got the die cut, the nice gold foil. The cardinal is added with Stampin' Dimensionals. I stamped this greeting on the banner, put dimensionals behind that, and then just looped the gold twine through the holes, and I'm ready to go with my tag. So these are the 6 different designs, and you do 5 of each for a total of 30 tags. Now, let me try to remember. I think it's this one. Yes. So I stamped this one on the back. Let me maybe pull the stamp set in so you can see. The Merry Christmas, 'Tis the Season, With Love for You. These are the greetings that you saw on the tags. And then this larger verse and the to and from is what I put on the back of the tag. And you can do that on all the tags, or you could just do the to and from. You could stamp the stocking and ornament or the little bow, holly berry, whatever you want. You could add that to the back, or you could even do that on other projects or on your envelopes if you're making cards. You definitely can use that stamp set for other things. So let's say you're thinking, gosh, you know, these are really beautiful tags, but I don't know that I need 30 of them. No problem, because what you can do once you make this tag is just put it on a card base. You'd probably want to at least stick this layer down with adhesive, maybe tack this one down too. It's entirely up to you. Just cut the cording off a little bit, but then you can make a full-size card with this tag as your focal point. So how fun is that? So you could actually order the tag kit to make really quick and creative cards and not even use any as tags. Entirely up to you. You also get, there's a few pieces that I have here that are extra, and you end up with 5 extra trees. So right there, you could make 5 more tags or cards, whatever you wanted, but you've got 5 extra trees and some extra banner pieces in this kit. So what else did I want to show you? Back to this stamp set. So the Tag Buffet stamp set, like I said, totally use it for other projects beyond these tags. Of course, you could always use them on envelopes. You can use them, you know, to add to the tags on the back if you wanted to. What I decided to do was pull in totally different color scheme and use the images and greetings from the stamp set to make this card here. Isn't this fun? So it's a really great stamp set. You could even get the stamp set entirely separate from this tag kit. So if you wanted just the stamp set, you can do that because they're sold separately. So back to this card, I used one of the stitched rectangle dies. I think you can see that on the Highland Heather, that stitching. The card base is mint macaron. I embossed some pretty peacock here over on the side. And then I used some of our Stampin' Blends. I think you can see them all here. The Highland Heather, mint macaron, pretty peacock, and a little bit of the petal pink at the top of the ornaments here. And then I used the bow image that you see right there on the top of the ornaments, added a few rhinestones, and it's a totally different look because I changed the color scheme. So don't be limited by the colors that are part of the kit. You can do anything you want with it. So again, just a quick recap, the project kit is intended to make 30 tags. Whether you do that as shown or you decide to do a combination of these as tags or cards just by pulling in a card base and popping it on like that, entirely up to you, very flexible to do that. The project kit is sold separately from the Tag Buffet stamp set. You can order both to complete them just as shown. You can order one or the other, and you can use it on any projects you want. All right, thank you so much for watching.